Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your EE account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see. And on the search bar, click over there and type in ee.co.uk like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for EE login like this on the Google Chrome, and after that you can see the login page for EE account has popped out on the Google's first result. Click over here, and over here we have landed on the home page of EE account. Now to log into your account, you can see the login option available over here. Click over there, and after that you will be landed on this login page where you can see you must input your email address over here and password over here to log into your EE account. And if you have forgotten your password, just simply click over here to reset your password by going to a certain procedure. Or if you have not created an account for EE, just click over here to need to register, where it says need to register, and you will be taken to the sign up process. And then guys, this is how you log into your EE account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.